Hi, it's Lonny with the Rockwall Area Chamber of Commerce, and today I'm at Israel Perez Law with the man himself. How are you?
Doing well. Thanks for coming on over, Lonnie.
Absolutely. So tell everybody what kind of law you practice.
Well, we practice all sorts of personal injury cases. We do car wreck cases. We do any sorts of case where a person can get injured or, God forbid, be killed. One case that we just had was a trip and fall at a hospital where our client was using a walker. The hospital down in the Rio Grande Valley decided not to put a sidewalk in, so our client, using a walker, tripped and fell because there was no sidewalk.
And you took care of that.
We helped out our client. They wanted only to pay a fifth of our client's medical bills, saying that our client's medical bills were too high. Well, they're a hospital complaining about high healthcare costs. The jury decided that our client's worth was more than $10,000. They awarded our client $884,000.
I'm in the wrong business. Tell me a little bit more about your practice, about the folks you work with.
So the folks I work with, the team that I work with, I'm blessed to have it. And let me tell you, we've got several photos up here at our office. One of them is of the Apollo 13 mission crew, or the ground crew, rather. What they did in Apollo 13 is they found a way to make it happen. A wonderful quote I love from the movie is, "Take this, put it into this, using nothing but this." And that is what our team figures out every day. They find a way to get over the hurdles that our clients are facing in order to help them with whatever struggles they're going with.
So whatever it takes to get it done, that's what you do here.
That is what we do. We find a way, we solve the problem, we get it done.
You have another photo on the wall that relates to your practice here. Tell me about that.
Yes. So that photo is of Henry Clay giving a speech to the Senate. The story behind that is that the President of the United States at the time said, "This bill will never pass. We will never sign off on this." Well, the Vice President of the United States was in attendance there in the Senate. He saw Henry Clay speak, and he was moved by what Henry Clay said. And so because of that, he eventually became president, and he signed that bill into law. So what that ties into our practice is, we just need to get our clients into the courthouse. Once we do that, I believe that the courts, the juries, they'll hear our clients, they'll be moved, they'll understand what our clients are going through.
Tell people how they can get in touch with you.
So our phone number is 469-897-4000. Or if you want to just come by and talk to us, we're right off of I-30, 722 East Interstate 30 is our address.
Well, if you need some help in the field of personal injury, you know the man to call. The number here is on the screen. Israel, thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Well, thank you for coming by, and I hope I never see you.
I hope you don't either. That's one question for you. What do you have when you have 1,000 lawyers on the bottom of the ocean? No, don't answer that. It's Lonny with the Rockwall Area Chamber of Commerce. I'll see you next time.